All right, so this one is for developing shoulder stroke. My partner puts two hands on my shoulder and he gets on the outside edges of the joint, connects his thumbs, then he pushes down onto my front leg. So he pulls my weight onto my front leg. Now, the reason he's going onto the front leg is I've got to release that tension, stretch down underneath his base and lead his push. So he's pushing down, I drop, I stretch underneath and I start coming under his base and then I lead his push. And I just sweep underneath him. So he pushes down onto my front foot, I feel the tension line, and then I've got to release a bit faster than he's pushing and continue to stretch and release and relax underneath. So this is exercise one for shoulder stroke. I point at the center of his feet, I feel the tension line he's pressing into my front foot, and then I lead it. I've got to relax and lead that and just extend this shoulder stroke energy out. I produce the stretch, I feel the tension, I pull on his feet. So for shoulder stroke, that's exercise number one. Okay, thank you.